No be before Easter. Now one woman don't go collect 200,000 from cooperative. Say me she dey do business. But because a bank no dey work for Easter, she can't carry and give the husband and say, honey, help me hold this money. By Tuesday, let me go to the bank and do what I want to do. This evening, now he tell the husband, honey, that money I gave to you, I beg tomorrow morning I need them. Wait till the husband tell and shock me. He tell and say Haaland no score yesterday. As I speak to you now, the woman just the waka the full up one road, they find who be Haaland.
And they tell my guy, which they say, Papa, you are getting old, you need to get married. Marry, then you rest. If they give me an excuse, say, Papa, marriage is no easy. Before I go rent this hall, 2 million. Before I go buy drink, 2 million. Before I go do this one, 3 million. Marriage too cost, so I don't go marry now. Now I say, come. Marriage no cost. Now you won't go see the girl parents. Give the girl belly, the parents go come see you.
This is Casino Games of Joke. Right about now, I am bringing to you this comedian. This guy is funny. Asaba, this is your own. Give it up for T-Boy.
This one money down on stage. I know say after Game of Jokes, it will be Game of War between Asaba comedian and Benin comedian. Because they spray me put on top. Forget senior colleague, we will fight them. I came here with anger. Relationship of 3 years, one at the build. They don't use Mickey Donut collect on yesterday. Good, they kill them. This country, see, women, if your husband gets Sporty Bet app and OP, you go hard to advise and make it stop betting. Because he's one app away from funding the other app. If you don't get it, no be before Easter. Now one woman don't go collect 200,000 from cooperative. Say me she dey do business. But because a bank no dey work for Easter, she can't carry and give the husband and say, honey, help me hold this money. By Tuesday, let me go to the bank and do what I want to do. This evening, now he tell the husband, honey, that money I gave to you, I beg tomorrow morning I need them. Wait till the husband tell and shock me. He tell and say Haaland no score yesterday. As I speak to you now, the woman just the waka the full up one road, they find who be Haaland. No be so all these marketing people just the market something. Now one come meet me say, hey T-Boy, do you know that with money points you can save? Now come and say me when no get money, what is the point? This country, now for this Obana road, DPO, don't go rent house for side chick. Total package, house agent and everything, 1,150,000. During Valentine, he won't go visit the girl. As he enter the house now, army commander wear boxers for palo. Now commander asks him, who are you? He said, I'm the plumber. I can't check on a sink. I tell people, see, do you know that your girlfriend that is on your DP, once in a while, another guy D, they enter the P. I tell people there are 4 lies a woman will tell you, just no saying a lie. Number 1 lie now, I don't have anything to wear. Just no say she won't make me buy a new clothes. Or she wants it polo. Number 2 lie. When the girl tell you say, is he not Fred? He is my bestie. My brother, attack. Attack. Kill him. A notorious gang leader, or SAS, or Samudia, man. That is him. Then, number 3, now when she dey make up, you can't hear, go Joe, big head. At that point, my brother, look for that head and break it. Do you know why? Because from every big head, they collect head. I tell you this and I leave. There's nothing like middle class. Tinubu don't balance everything. Is that you get or you don't get? If you don't get out. If you are rich, you stay in the rich area, the sounds you hear around you will tell you if you are rich or you are poor. If you are poor, the sound you hear will tell you. Jesus. You like threesome? Me, you, my father. And a three throw. I'm a man of God. I tell people, see, if you are rich, you stay the same place with CEO, Ayodele, P Clothing, Olili. What you hear is soundproof. The highest you can hear is Mikano. I don't know who tell poor men where they stay is a Imo Umuago. Say, first of all, we they get what they call gen house. Different type of gen. Some make fireman, Suzuki, Yamaha, Tiger, Eloquent. Different sound. One idiot for the compound, no, they service in gen. Every small thing go they shoot. The same idiot, no, they get fuel. Every 5 minutes. Idiot make it come off and he go sleep bend down. Useless person. The same idiot, you know the service in gen. If you on the gen, you never on anything for the house. The gen go the sound normal. Go, 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 go. If you on TV, oh, 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 oh. If you on fridge, oh, go, 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 go. Anything we can on iron, oh. If you enter big man house, let me do this and go. Big man house, you hear something like this. AC. UPS, ting, ting. Poor man house, first of all, and the power they shout. Choko, they waste stabilizer. Then you as a visitor, they no point you where you can't go, light just come, you won't go open fridge where know the family members, it go shock you die. The worst one, I say you can't go on our fan, SMC. Fan we get terms and conditions. As you on am, put am for one, the fan go fair vibrate, walk. You go meet am. Remember, it dey for one. Two. 3. Thank you very much. My name is T-Boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for T-Boy.
Stop that solid star music. Asaba Alpha now. Asaba Alpha. They come in, they play solid star music. Are they first for solid star? Yeah, boy. He go crazy when fuel at 260. Now we fuel at 700. The guy go well. It's really crazy. But this country now, who they crazy don't know what God do for them. As I speak to it now, the way the country they scatter, it pays to be crazy. Solid star, yeah, boy. The guy say when he crazy, he trek from Federal Palace to Ajao Estate. If he put that in now for boat, now 42,000. Who do? Mumu. Time we say supposed well, he crazy. Now we suppose they crazy, go well. But Nigeria don't scatter. Things don't hard everywhere. Price of food stuff don't cost. Everything don't cost. The way food stuff take cost now, I beg, if you are married, if you are here, if you send your wife, go market, I beg, off your phone. Your wife must call you, honey, please, can you transfer me 20,000? Turkey don't cost. So as your wife, they go market, just off your phone. Oh. Everything don't cost for market. How much did they sell egg now? 1? No, I don't. Oh, poor people. 1 egg, 90 one they buy. Crate. How much is crate? Please, those that buy crate. How much for crate of egg now? 4,045. Egg don't cost. The way egg take cost now. Nobody fit carry anybody like egg again, no. Those guys when they shoot egg of life, they get lucky they don't do at that time. If now you cannot shoot egg of life, oh. The way egg take us, you want to break egg, say Igodye, they go bust your head. This country, everything don't cost. Everything don't cost. Everything don't cost. Now for Tinubu and a bad boy. He affect. Oh, when fuel be 260, country don't spoil. When fuel be 260, if you want sleep, you go on gen. Now when fuel na 700, if you on gen, you know if you sleep. You go open your eye. With life, don't ever allow anybody to pressure you. No allow anybody pressure you. You just a hustle. You won't buy this one, you won't buy 2 places, you won't buy. No allow anybody pressure you. And they tell people, say, land no cost. Now you won't stay around people. Land no cost. You don't go price land for Obebe. 1 by 700, 40,000. Land no cost. Don't pressure yourself. And they tell my guy, which they say, Papa, you are getting old. You need to get married. Marry, then you rest. If they give me an excuse, say, Papa, marriage no easy. Before I go rent this hall, 2 million. Before I go buy drink, 2 million. Before I go do this one, 3 million. Marriage too cost, so I don't go marry now. Now I say, come. Marriage no cost. Now you won't go see the girl parents. Give the girl belle, the parents go come see you. You come to hear things like this. Our son. Nah, don't be. How you call what make you be? You come say, Daddy, when I go, my head full now. Men, some men too wicked though. Please, girls, the year is still fresh, I beg. If the man no get money, make it rest. Make it rest. Which one be I need the man that will love, I need the woman that will love me for who I am. Who are you? Some men wicked there. Girls, are you not tired? Baby, please. Give the phone to the back. Man, make I follow and talk. About country don't have though. Ladies and gentlemen, I got married some months ago. When I clap for me, I beg. When I clap for me. Marriage. All these girls now for one I know. My wife and I date for 6 years. The day when I tell her, I say, will you marry me? I say, what? He say, I'm surprised. Yeah? Not when I say, I'm not married, you can't surprise.